I got a copyright strike on my last video, but it only meant I can't monetize. I guarantee you it was, I let that NBC nightly news thing just run. I forgot to break it up. But just to give you an idea of what that looks like real quick, when you go to my feed and you go to my Your Videos, you see where it gives a copyright claim. And it just says your video is ineligible from, in other words, I can't make money off that video. And y'all know I don't make money off any of this. So you shouldn't be getting any commercials. And I think you have to have a certain amount anyway to, I'm not sure. But I started listening to this while I was cleaning the kitchen and stuff, and just listen to this real quick. I better speed it up. I'm gonna get a copyright strike. Adam Weiss, whatever his name is. Isaac Weishaupt. Get him mixed up with Adam Weishaupt. Isaac Weishaupt. He could be controlled opposition. He don't give us a lot of content, but I used to follow him back when I didn't know a lot. So.
And the most recent video before the Super Bowl was Save Your Tears.
Okay.
Where he simulates suicide of this Hollywood version of himself with a plastic surgery.
Okay. This is your Weeknd thing now.
Hence, where I got the prediction for the next phase, the next show, would be the alchemical progression, because it was showing the
death and resurrection. Now, this is all about Trump and the Antichrist. You know it is.
Of the Weeknd, and he would be rebirthed as the Phoenix.
And the Weeknd would be rebirthed as a Phoenix. Well, this full moon, this no full moon, is the 27th, 20th, 13th. It's a Saturday, right? February 2021 calendar. This just leads more to the snow full moon being when Trump would come up through the rebirthing process. The 27th is on a Saturday. It's the Weeknd. And he just got through saying the name of the guy is The Weeknd.
Because it was showing the death of the Weeknd, and he would be rebirthed as the Phoenix.
The death of the Weeknd. The Weeknd was representing Donald Trump. You know, the 7 heads and 10 horns that Tom Brady, this whole Super Bowl was about Trump and his death and resurrection. So I forgot to speak to that. I have not watched it yet. We caught the tail end of it, but I was with friends and they're not into what I'm into. So it was really my pleasure, my flesh, my old friends who don't get what I do. They don't watch my YouTube. They don't comment on my Facebook, but they still want to trade at the Super Bowl party. And I had a good time. It was good. And so it's as simple as that. That's what this video is about. I think that this just lends to the fact that this coming snow full moon takes place on the weekend, as does Valentine's Day and so forth, 13th, 14th. A lot of people, of course, be celebrating the 13th. It is the 14th. Then the other full moon. So it's all about the weekend of February. Because if he goes down on the 11th, by the 13th, there'll be chaos everywhere. And then he would be rebirthed on the 27th on the snow full moon from the abyss, even though he would rise on the 3rd day, which would be on the 13th or 14th, Valentine's Day. However you want to see it. 3 days later or on the 3rd day, which would include all 3 days. Death, 2nd day, and then 3rd day up, which is only 2 days afterwards. Hope that's not too confusing. If you've been following along, you understand. So that's what the weekend was all about. Thank you to Isaac Weishaupt for just, all I had to do was listen to that, because Isaac studied all of his stuff, and that saved us all that time of watching videos of the Weeknd. And just boom, Isaac told us it's all about the death of the Weeknd, or the resurrection, rising of the Phoenix, which is what Trump would be all about. All right, love y'all.